a sneeze.
Don't you mean a chew?
Bless you, dude.
Huh. I didn't sneeze.
Yeah, you did. You said a chew, so you sneezed, so I said bless you.
No, I didn't. I was just giving an example of what a sneeze sounds like.
Bless you again.
I didn't sneeze this time either.
Yeah, you did. You said I sneezed. That's also mean you sneezed. Did cha?
Wait, why am I having this argument with you? Seriously, why am I having this argument with you? Anyways, why did you say I sneeze?
Bless you again. And I sneeze like that because I just do.